Hi guys, today I'm doing a tutorial / review of the Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series, specifically the number 4 palette. It's this stunning eyeshadow palette. The palette is so pretty. All these palettes, they have such beautiful packaging, and the shades inside are very pretty. They're a bit light but very soft, and I'm very excited to show you how I did this look. And I'm still doing some tutorials on the other palettes as well, so keep an eye out for that. I received all 5 of the eyeshadow palettes in the Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series, as well as a few of the other products as a gift from my husband, and I'm very excited to do these tutorials for you guys. So let's hop right in, and then I hope you enjoy the video. I primed my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Vanilla. And then I set it with the Huda Beauty Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the color Banana Bread. For the brows today I used something different. I used the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the color Natural Brown. It's the first time I'm using this one. The color looks okay. It's got a very fine point. I don't know if you can see that, which makes it easier to draw some natural looking brows if you need to. It's a very soft formula, so I'm not sure how it will wear, if it will stay put all day. I'll still keep an eye on that before I decide whether I like it, but so far it looks good. I'm just going to start off with that first pink shade with a Morphe brush. It's a fluffy brush. It's got a bit of a point, but it doesn't have a number or a code on it, so I'm not quite sure what you would call it. And I'm just going to place that all over as my basic transition shade. Oh, it's beautiful. Blends out nicely. I don't want to blend it up to the eyebrow, I just want to kind of leave a little bit of a rim. I'll take it under as well. I know my lashes look a bit weird. I added some lash serum on the eyelashes to kind of use as a primer for my mascara today, so just ignore that. I just cleaned off that brush with the Sigma Switch. I'm going in with that same brush with that second lavendery color, and I'm going to focus it a bit more on the outer edge. See if I can leave that pinky color on the inner side. Just take it below the highest part of the pink color there. And I think I'll take that all over the lid as a base color for the shimmery shades as well. Have a lot of these soft colors, so I'm really excited to have some of those. Okay, I'm taking a bit more of a detailed pointer brush with that brown color that's on the end, and I'm just going to focus this in this outer corner, this V, to just create some depth here. I'm just going to blend that out with the previous brush with no extra product on. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Intensifies wand on the lids just so that it grips those shimmery shades a bit better. I'm taking that beautiful shimmery purple color, second from last, on my finger and just placing that all over the lid. It's got a pinkish bluish shift to it. It's very pretty. It's a very soft color. I think it looks pretty. I'm taking that beautiful pink color in the middle. It's got a bit of a subtle greenish goldish shift on my pinky finger and placing that in the inner corner for my inner corner highlight. Oh, that looks pretty. It's got much more of a golden look on the eye than it does in the pan. It looks more pink in the pan, but it's still pretty. I'm taking some of that pinky shimmery color on a flat brush and just placing it close to the brow bone as my brow bone highlighter. It's got a lot of sparkly flecks, like glittery sparkles in. So if you don't like glitters on your brow bone, then I'd suggest rather to use a highlighter color for your brows. Okay, so let me go do eyeliner, eyelashes, mascara, the whole shebang, and then I will be back with my final thoughts and the final look. Okay, so here's the final look. I think it looks pretty. I winged my liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and then I just added some Maybelline New York Tattoo Liner in the waterline in the color Deep Onyx. The NYX one is just the black color. And then I added some Maybelline Sky High Mascara to the lashes, and then I got some new lashes that I added. It's the Ardell Forks Mink Wispies. So they're a bit more dramatic than I usually wear, and I think they really go well with this look. What do you think? This was the first time that I used the Flower Nose products. I think it's a very beautiful palette. It is a bit difficult to create some depth with this palette. It's not for smoky looks, but it is a very beautiful palette, especially if you like the lighter colors. And the shimmery shades, as pretty as they are, they don't really have a lot of base color to them, so I do recommend putting down a base color on your lid before adding the shimmery colors. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.